So when I get an international truck and a no start, first place I go and first thing I check is right here in the battery box. Now if you see this, to the power feed to the ECM. These can get corroded or be bad, but the first thing you want to check is these fuses right here. If I can get this thing off of here. That right there. There's a 40 amp fuse, and there's a second 40 amp fuse inside this one. Well, that one's a 10 amp. That's the transmission fuse. So if you have a transmission problems, that 10 amp will do it. If you have 3 here, 1 will be for the transmission. If there's only 2, then that is ECM and IDM fuses. These two 40 amp fuses, you always want to make sure that they're together, they're good. Pull them out, check the fuse, because sometimes they can be melted and you won't see it. Make sure they're making good connection. And that's the first place I go if there's a no start on an international truck. These two fuses right here, because it happens a lot.